Okay, we all know product videos can help sell our stuff online.
I'm selling these print color mugs. They look great and will definitely keep coffee hot for a while. You can see how crisp the graphics of the white ceramic. Order one now.
But that video, yeah, that's definitely not going to grab anyone's attention. The problem is making product videos the traditional way is really kind of painful. And for makers like us, using AI can honestly feel just as miserable. But what if we could make awesome UGC-style product videos without building complex AI prompts or recording a single frame of video? The problem is, making product videos the traditional way is really, really painful. And honestly, that's where most makers are going to get stuck because we already have enough to do. We're trying to make our products, we're trying to ship them, we're trying to market them, and now we're supposed to also become video creators. And that's why so many product listings just don't have video at all. Not because makers don't want to have video, but because creating good ones still takes time, a ton of effort, and editing skills, and a whole bunch of trial and error. And even with AI tools, we still usually need to speak the language of AI prompts, which honestly starts feeling less like running a business and more like negotiating with a robot. So the real question here becomes, can we make product videos that actually look good without turning this into another full-time job? Something like this.
Okay, this mug had fantastic graphics and actually makes my coffee taste better. Wait, where did this mug come from? Thank you, Steve Makes Everything. Perfect.
Now, I know that video was a bit over the top, but that was intentional because outrageous UCG videos made TikTok successful, and they're also going to help sell your products. And to find out how, let's start with a quick refresher on what we already know about AI video generation. Now, in my last video in this Kittl series, we actually got pretty close to the kinds of video we need in order to help sell things. We used AI tools to generate product videos automatically, and honestly, most of the results there looked really good. Like, good enough that you could certainly use them in an Etsy listing or even run them as ads. But the big problem was that you still had to be the driver for the AI. You had to come up with those complex prompts, you had to describe scenes, keep regenerating things until they stopped looking weird. Because as we learned, sometimes AI models nail things and sometimes they just butcher them. Now, AI made product videos possible, but it still didn't make them easy enough to create, at least not for most makers. So this time I wanted to see if we could skip the hardest parts of AI video generation completely, those prompts. And I have a new tool to help me with this. Now, in this case, my old tool is actually my new tool. It's still Kittl, but what they've done is they've added a lot of effort into new templates, and they're templates for very specific purposes, and I'll show you some of them, and they include things like product sales. So if I start from the main Kittl page, I can say start with a template, and you can see there's a bunch of templates here for all kinds of things. And the one I'm going to use is this one right here, which is basically a streamer selling a product. And I thought that was kind of a cool one to start with. So I'll just click that and say, use this as a template. Now, Kittl went off and created a new project for me. And if we start at the beginning of this and just take a look at it, you'll see how this template is formed. And there's basically something that's kind of pre-generated here. If you want to see what it's going to look like, you can get a bunch of tutorials. And then there's two different places to start your template. And the first one is the one we're going to use, but I'll show you the second one. This one is if we've already got a picture of our product. And in this case, I do. The next one is if I just have maybe a logo or something and a product. So you can just put those two images together. And so if I just had, in this case, I'm going to do that mug, that prisoner mug. I could put a picture of a white mug here and a picture of that logo, and then I could continue on. It would be exactly the same because it would generate that photo. In my case, I actually have the photo. So what I'm going to do is follow the instructions here. And if I zoom in here, you can see it says replace this with your product photo. So I'll go delete that and I'll go get myself a product picture and I'll just paste that image in, and I can just scale it up. In this case, where we're making a vertical, like a TikTok video, so this won't fit perfectly, but it'll be close enough. So there's my mug. So I'll go over to the second phase here, which is to actually generate the video. And you can see there's two things we can do here. We can regenerate it now, or we can take a look at some of the scripts. So let's actually look at the scripts because they'll be wired for a water bottle, and I don't really want a water bottle. So I'm going to look down here, and you can see how these things are created. Most of this is boilerplate, so you don't really have to do anything. But if you wanted to change maybe a female influencer to a male influencer or a male construction worker, it could be anything you want. You can define some basic styles there. And then you'll see a lot of things in quotes where this is the actual text that our virtual actor is going to say. So we do want to fix some of that so that it's talking specifically about a mug. I'll look at some of these. So here's a line here that I'm going to change. It still works, but I'm going to say, instead of using it, I'm going to say, I've been drinking coffee all day. And then we can scroll down some more and say, yeah, this, and we can specify a product here if we want. So I'm going to say this mug. So she'll say this mug is coming with me everywhere I go. And really that's all we're going to change. So pretty simple. And then I can just do a generation here, and you'll see it go off and start doing some things. This will take a bit of time, usually 3 minutes. You can see here 2 minutes and 51 seconds. And there's our video that we made. Now I won't play it here. I could play it here, but I won't play it here. Now, a couple of things I'll call out here. So first of all, we can record with audio on or off, or we can also change the video generator. I'm using this brand new one, Seedance 2, which is amazing. And if I'm doing a lot of these, I'm going to be using it for sure for any of these videos I generate, and I'll show you why. Let me just hop over now to the video that got generated.
Look what I just got. I'm obsessed already. Like, this is actually a game changer. I've literally been drinking coffee all day. It just works with everything. Yeah, this mug is coming with me everywhere.
We both know you've been watching our videos, you've been learning, but you're not subscribed. This family, we support creators, so do the right thing. Subscribe before Tony here has to have a little chat with you. It would be a shame if something happened to your laser.
Okay, so the first thing I want to say here is make sure you listen to Tony and click that like, subscribe, and the bell notification button down there. But more importantly, you can see how easy Kittl templates have made making product videos. And with the addition of Seedance 2.0, you can create realistic, stunning videos in just a few minutes that will really help sell your products faster. Now, in my example, I used the UGC style to simulate ad hoc TikTok style videos, but Kittl has dozens of styles, and you can choose to demonstrate the value of your product in really any way you choose. And by starting from one of these Kittl pre-built templates, you can upload a single photo, make just a couple of text changes if you want, and take a generic script and turn it into something tailored for your specific product. Now, in my case, I don't sell a lot of volume products, but I do create serious videos for customers when they want to see their design in a more realistic scene, rather than looking at a bunch of my drawings. Previous to the Kittl Seedance 2 combination and all of those new templates, I used to shoot all of these videos by hand, and it would usually eat up half a day from start to finish. Now, I think we can all agree this drudgery is not what any of us signed up for as makers, but we can get rid of all of it and publish far better things on Etsy or Shopify or wherever you sell online. Now, since I've been using Kittl for years, I'm happy to help find out how Kittl and Seedance 2 together can help you with your side hustle or small business videos. And if you have specific comments or questions, leave them down below and I'll try to respond to everything I possibly can. Now, to help you get started with Kittl, I'll leave a link in the description down below. And with that, I'll wind down. I'll say get out there, make your world, and I'll see you next time.